In my life, I've been blessed to know some incredible mothers. My own mother, Virginia Clinton Kelly, my mother-in-law, Dorothy Rodham, and of course, Hillary. This week, in honor of Mother's Day, I'd like to introduce you to two other moms who are making a tremendous difference to give their own children and children in their communities opportunities to live healthy lives. These remarkable women came to my attention through the Alliance for a Healthier Generation, a joint initiative of my foundation and the American Heart Association. The Alliance works to combat the nationwide epidemic of childhood obesity by working directly with schools, industry, and kids and their parents. About a year ago, the Alliance teamed up with the Michael and Susan Dell Foundation to gather stories from moms who are working to establish the lifelong healthy habits in their kids necessary to turn the tide against obesity. Their stories and practical advice for other parents are collected in Be Well, a book that's available as a free resource for any parents. Many of the things these moms do for their families don't cost much. In many cases, they actually save money. Their ideas just require a little bit of extra effort to make a lasting impact on their children and their communities. I hope that hearing from these two great mothers this week will inspire moms and dads across the country to help their own children establish healthy eating and exercising habits. Thank you, and happy Mother's Day.
When I became a mom, I became more aware of the dangers of the different foods that's out there. So now that I have kids, I realize that there needs to be some type of intervention to help our children eat healthier. Right now, I have a nonprofit organization called Perfect Kids Incorporated. The most recent thing we did was a basketball tournament, and we took kids from the ages of about 8 to 18. We put them with different age groups and they play basketball for like 3 hours. This is a one-day event. You don't have to pay. It's free. You bring the kids out, they play.
I do a lot of education around the household, just in understanding how to put foods together. Protein, what is a protein? What's a carb? What's a fat? And how to make good decisions around those things. When I think about moms, there's so much on us, and especially if you have a career going, you have kids, you have a husband, and trying to be mindful about health just feels like another huge burden on top of everything. So trying to get people just to consider that maybe if you can just focus on a couple of things, how much that will affect your health.